Hey guys, this is SoulRank333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers Legacy United G1 Universe Autobot gears. And the distribution for these are just terrible. It's completely random. I don't know which figures are coming when. I was just lucky to find this guy at Target and lucky to get him for like $19.99. They had two prices on the shelf, both for Transformer Legacy figures. One said $24.99 and the other one said Transformers Legacy $19.99 was $24.99. Mentioned it to the cashier and she did a price check and it rang. She looked it up and it came up, a third price came up for $22.99. And so luckily she was cool and gave it to me for $19.99, so that was nice of her. Yeah, this figure is very cool. I never had the Minibot as a kid. I always thought the Gears Minibot looked pretty neat. If I had a Minibot, I'm sure I had Bumblebee. That did not survive childhood though. When I started collecting, I was able to get another Minibot Bumblebee. But I think I would like to get a Gears Minibot. This figure is very cool. The only thing I don't like are the painted windows. I wish this was clear windows. You know, I don't care if it's clear plastic, painted blue or whatever. Just, you know, the windows should be clear. But here he is in his alt mode. I did go ahead and paint this peg silver to match the rims. Otherwise it would have that cheap looking gray plastic. So I think it kind of hides it better. But here he looks awesome. I love it. And it comes with his gun here. And to transform him, you can fold these down, and now he becomes a hover car. Where we're going, we don't need roads. This actually has to stay open. This can fold down. These unpeg and unfold. These fold in. The arms unfold. From the torso. This can now unpeg and the wheels can fold in. And they seem like they peg onto the back, but they really don't. It barely frictions in there. Then these fold onto the torso and then rotate the head. And there he is in his robot mode, looking very nice. And I really like this figure. It's a very simple transformation, which I don't mind. If both the alt mode and the robot mode look great, I don't care if the transformation is simple. And he looks awesome. He's very posable. Even has butterfly joints. I think this is probably one of the most posable figures. Very cool. Even has that chest panel. That episode where I think it's his personality chip gets taken, and then he becomes all nice and friendly, even helps the Decepticons. Yeah, but he's awesome. And here he is with his other fellow mini-bots. Bumblebee, Cliff Jumper, Huffer, Pipes. Also have Cosmos. I was lucky to find him. I only saw him once at Walmart. And then we got Brawn. Warpath. And it's an old figure, Windcharger. Technically not a deluxe. This was a Scout class figure that you could buy at the time for like $8, I believe. So you have an old Scout class figure that's taller than the current deluxe figures for 25 bucks. $8, 25 bucks. That's just terrible. But he does stand there very nicely. I can't wait to get the new Bumblebee. At least it's not a parts former. It's a shame though, because this is a beautiful alt mode and they had to squander it by making it a parts former. Same goes for this Cliff Jumper. Beautiful alt mode. They wasted it as a parts former. Because I don't think we'll ever get this alt mode again, and they had to do that. I also hope they update Warpath here. Again, they made him a parts former. I guess officially this is supposed to go on to his shoulder, but that looks stupid. I prefer symmetry, so if I had to put it somewhere, that's fine. But again, making unnecessary parts forming is just stupid. I mean, if you were a child that played with this and you lose that piece, that's it. You're done. You have an incomplete figure. I don't mind losing a gun or an accessory, but an essential piece of the alt mode, no. Unless it's like Omega Supreme or Ultra Magnus, there's no need for it. But here are the mini bots that I do have. I never did find Beachcomber. Again, the distribution's terrible. I never saw him anywhere in stores. Maybe I'll be lucky. I was lucky to find him. Maybe I'll be lucky to find Beachcomber, but I think that ship has sailed. I didn't feel like... I know there's more Huffer repaints. Yeah, I mean, I only want Huffer. I only got this guy because he was there. Yeah, there they are. Looking very nice. But here is Gears. Thanks for watching.